I mean, it means a lot to us, to be part of the minority salute, us being a minority firm and just growing and where we come from. It's a great honor to be a part of it. I would say the contribution would be a lot to homeowners because we work a lot in residential. So a lot of homeowners being able to renovate their houses and get the houses, make the house their dream houses again. So that'll be our main contribution that we have just so far. Yeah, having a voice is big because a lot of times it seems like minorities are overlooked when they saying things. They're protesting and stuff. Seem like minorities are being looked over. So just by having that voice, people are acknowledging minorities. I mean, the voice alone is a great thing, and hopefully, with the voice, actions follow. I'm proud of my biggest accomplishment, just even coming in, joining the business, and getting us to this point. From at home office to having an office facility, and got company trucks, and grew the team. We still growing and stuff. Just even to the point where we at. This is definitely I gotta say is my biggest accomplishment to the level that we have the city certifications, partner up. We've done jobs with the airport and stuff. I mean, that's big for us coming from where we came from. So, I mean, those are the greatest accomplishments I could say.